Well, Campus Close-Up this week is taking us to Briargrove Elementary, a diverse, dynamic campus right in the heart of the Briargrove neighborhood. Now, I hopped on a video call with Principal Jones to learn more about what makes her school community so unique. And she also shared with me all about the school's innovative programs, including IB and much more.
Briargrove is a school nestled in the Briargrove community. We're right outside of the 610 Loop in the Galleria area, and we have been around since 1958. So as you know, with history comes tradition. A lot of our students who attend here now, their parents attended Briargrove, their grandparents attended Briargrove, but what really makes us unique is our diversity. We represent over 30 different countries. We have over 20 different languages spoken here. We are also an IB World Campus, and so within our curriculum, we embed strategies for students to be lifelong learners, inquiry-based learning, to be risk takers. We encourage our students to take action, and it involves the whole community. So Briargrove is just a great place to be because we are a true community-based campus. So IB, basically what we do with our IB is within our curriculum, we embed opportunities for students to really think about where they fit in the world. So it just opens up opportunities for students to be globally minded and connected globally. Because we're such a diverse campus, that is so befitting for us to embed these practices within our curriculum. So it is embedded throughout everything that we do inside of the classroom. In addition to that, outside of the classroom, we offer so many extracurricular opportunities for our students to walk away from this campus better than when they came. I would attribute that success to the culture that we have established here at Briargrove. Here in the last 2 years, because we took a huge shift in our demographics and half of our population were EB students, we had to really drill down and be intentional about our instruction. So the first thing that we did was we structured our planning in a way that was true collaboration. Administrators, teachers across grade levels, teachers across content areas. We plan at least 3 days a week together. We are knee to knee, elbow to elbow in the work together. And then in addition to that, we focus on how we teach and how we deliver those lessons. So teachers are constantly rehearsing and modeling and batting their lessons in front of their peers before they go live in front of students. That gives us the opportunity to address any misconceptions and to really fine-tune our instruction to make sure that we produce those student outcomes that we want to achieve.
Make sure you're subscribed to the HISD Now YouTube channel so you don't miss all the stories from Briargrove Elementary this week.